Okay, we're on our way now to go and meet the fisherman that I was speaking to in the last video. That was about an hour ago, all of that. They said they could take me out onto the water, but I had to run back to the hotel and they said be half an hour, and I've been a little bit longer than that, so I kind of suspect that they're not going to be here, which doesn't look like they are, unfortunately. Who knows, maybe we can find someone else who can take us out. Let's have a little look, but yeah, it definitely doesn't look like they're here. Unless that's their boat there, maybe. But this is where I want them to take me. Out into the ocean, so we can go raiding. CMR is thinking, shut up Wayne, you're not a Viking. Not anymore, at least, anyway, since that Sri Lankan barber shaved all my beard off. Hello, poop. And hopefully there's not a storm brewing. Hey. Hey.
Hi.
Oh, it's very hot. Yeah. Oh.
Where are from you?
England.
England.
You from Negombo?
Negombo.
Yeah. Beautiful place.
Yeah.
Oh. The man, I spoke to the fisherman over there who does the paddle. Yeah. He said there's big waves. Big waves? Scary? No, I'm worried. When you go?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Yeah, no worries. You catch big fish?
It's more sardine.
Sardine. Big fish out there though?
It is outside.
Go further out to catch them. Okay, cool.
It is Negombo market.
In the Negombo market. That's from the fishermen who go further out?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I'll go there later on, take a look. I haven't been there yet.
Yeah.
What time do you finish doing this today then? What time do you start this? You start like 6 in the morning?
This morning.
And what time do you finish? What time?
5.
5 p.m. Long day. Long day, hard work.
When come back?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a very hard work. Ah. The first time I came down here and I saw them like beach the boats like that, you see the boat kind of powering it up the bank, you're thinking like they're having an accident or something, but no, that's just how they get the boat out of the water. Shouting me over. You shouting you or me?
Yeah, helping.
Okay. Hey.
Morning.
Morning, how are you?
I am fine. Where are you from?
England.
England.
Yeah, I came just to help you. Which way?
Yeah.
That way.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's hard work. Oh. You do that all day. I'm done now. I'm ready for a sit down. My friend, yeah. He's going to take me fishing. Hey? Now, I think. I think so. Oh.
Okay.
You must be very fit doing that. I'm tired.
How long to stay here?
In Negombo or Sri Lanka?
Negombo.
I've been here now for 10 days, I think.
10 days.
Yeah, but I leave maybe
What?
tomorrow.
Okay. How long your holiday? All day?
3 months here.
3 months?
Yeah, I have bike,
Yes.
so I will drive all around Sri Lanka. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
Negombo only 10 days.
yeah. But my second time here.
Sri Lanka second time.
Yeah.
Same. before I work in Sri Lanka diving tours.
5 years ago I came here.
There.
Oh, you were diving
Yeah.
diving tours, like scuba diving.
Yes, same. My instructor is John Collin in England man.
Oh, really?
John Collin.
Joan Collins?
Yes.
The lady?
Sorry?
Joan Collins?
John Collins, England man.
England man?
Yeah. The owner is Sri Lankan man.
Yeah.
Instructor is England man.
Okay.
5 years before in Trincomalee.
Right. Oh, in Trincomalee?
Yeah.
Okay. I go there on my trip, so it's a good place. Trincomalee is good?
Yes. Normal now is season. Trincomalee season open July, August.
Okay, cool.
I think many people house full.
Yeah.
Hotel full.
Hotel 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'll
Now
be...
so now is season open. Not more people.
I prefer that.
Yeah.
I like it, not many people. I like to speak with the local people, not with tourists, you know. But yeah, I'll go ready for my boat now.
Okay.
Thanks so much. I'm exhausted from that. Like, you think there's like 10-15 men pulling the boat up, but it's hard work. Hey, how are you? Pardon? What you said?
Germany? Germany?
England.
England?
England, yeah.
First time Sri Lanka?
Second time.
Second time?
Yeah, man.
Fisherman?
You're a fisherman, are you?
Yes. Today we are going fishing. My cousin
You have a boat here, yeah.
only got 50 kilo also.
Yeah.
Sardine. Only look, speaking, only look.
Yeah, yeah.
Your name?
Wayne.
Pereiro.
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 Let me shake. Actually, yeah.
It's
You have dirty hands. Pereiro. Is that Sri Lankan name? Sounds very like
Pereiro, Nimal, Pereiro.
Pereiro. Sounds very like Portuguese.
Your name?
Wayne.
Wine.
Wayne. Like the rain?
Wine drink.
Exactly, yeah.
You want sardine?
You got a good catch.
Sardine.
This normal or sometimes more? Or some...
No, no big, only sardine.
Yeah. And you take this, you sell it over here or at the fish market?
Or
Or...
it's a fish market.
Okay.
It's by local
Yeah.
people, by only
What do you do with this? Like you put that in curry or
curry.
curry? Yeah.
How many days holiday?
Sri Lanka for 3 months.
3 months.
3 months, yeah. I have bike, so I'll go
bike.
all around Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Libaran.
But I'm just new here now. I've been here a few days.
You alone come Sri Lanka?
Hmm?
Alone?
3 months.
Alone? Alone?
How long have I been here now?
No, no.
I've
You
been.
come alone Sri Lanka. Why?
Hmm?
Oh, alone Sri Lanka.
Oh, alone. No, my girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
Yeah, she is in hotel. Hey, you ready now?
Now ready.
Okay. I'll speak to you later. I think maybe he wanted me to come on his boat.
Yeah.
Everyone's just trying to make money, you know.
You like little look.
Out here, I see the water is different. Is that coral?
Yeah.
Ah, it's beautiful.
Cool. Memang untuk apa ni? Anda ada lagi?
Everyone wants to show me. This is going to be our boat for our trip. I get in now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can sit here.
Okay. Now we go to catch some big sharks, yes?
No, no net, no net,
No in here?
no net. No,
No net. Oh, so we're just sailing now?
we look in and come back.
Okay.
What is your name, sir?
Wayne.
My name is Marcus.
Marcus. It's good to meet you, Marcus. And what is his name?
Cookie.
Kuti.
Francis.
Francis.
Yeah.
Francis. So we're sailing now. How far did we sail out?
First look is what?
Okay.
What time to the right?
Say, so when I was in the previous video speaking to the guy who does the paddle boat, he was saying he's not going out today because out here there are some big waves, like at least with a paddle boat, but I think with us having an engine we'll have no problem. You can see it's a bit choppy. So this is how you do it. You lay your net out in a round, and then the fish swim in and get stuck.
Not like this.
How deep this water here?
Hatrak किधर है? Hatrak किधर है?
6 meters.
Okay. And down here just sand or coral? Coral. You can kind of see when you're looking out in the distance there, the different colour in the water, so obviously different depths. Which part is deep, which part is shallow, I don't know, but it obviously must be coral and all kinds of stuff out here. I don't understand what it is. Museum? Oh, Muslim.
Yeah.
Oh, mosque. Ah, I see. Okay, mosque. Lots of fishermen. Enough fish for everyone to catch.
Going area going
Yeah, very far out.
very far away, going morning going, night going, evening going.
When you go out, how far do you go?
Sometime going, not see this place.
You can't even see the land.
Because
Scary?
morning 6 o'clock going, only near fishing.
Yeah.
Before going, very long way going.
Yeah. When you go out there and it's dark, is it
Yeah.
scary?
Dark, we have lamp,
Okay, you can.
head,
Yeah.
lamp. Set light also.
Yeah.
New hotel.
It's too big, yeah. Not enough tourists here for that.
No opening.
Yeah.
No opening.
Since me and Siamara have been here now, we haven't seen that many tourists here in Negombo. Like now is quiet, right? No many tourists.
Down facing down.
Huh?
Down facing down.
Here we go. Oh,
Canal.
This is a canal.
Hold on, canal.
Wow, so beautiful.
Nice Nice place.
It's very beautiful
Expensive.
to stay here.
3 hours.
Uh, imagine having a house there. Beautiful. What a
We
spot.
have Varan, Iceberg, Cormorant, Palmine Man, Palmine,
Oh.
Body, Palmine Man.
Oh, I do.
That's for 3 hours going.
It takes 3 hours to go all the way down. Beautiful houses here. Like a paradise. What a spot.
Hey, ada bulannya bayar nih.
Oh, yeah. So what is this here?
This fisherman people net repairing.
Okay.
It's net all.
So people live here?
Yeah. No.
This is just where they keep the boats
But keep here. Come in fishing going time. Take going. Fish.
and they go back out. I think my favourite part was the going over the waves. It was fun.
Now she is good no.
Yeah.
She's not big well no.
Does the waves get sometimes bad? Sometimes the waves get
Yeah.
very big?
This time no wind coming.
Yeah.
Little problem.
Okay. And what happened then? You not go?
Going.
You still go? Ah, they make TV show. They make big TV show, I make small TV show.
You going to your country. You saw your girlfriend.
Yeah, I will show her, yeah. It's a beautiful house.
Nice blue no.
Yeah. You come to your garden and you see this every day. Perfect. But to have house here, you must have lots of money, yeah?
You country you have house.
No.
No.
I just travel with my bag. I don't go home. So just travel. Always move. Always moving, yeah. You live with your family here?
I think this owner, this house owner,
Yeah.
she have 2 boat, 1 boat. Sometimes German people, I don't.
Yeah.
German people.
Ah, yeah, German flag there, yeah.
You see German, no?
Yeah. So the people who live here are Sri Lankan or
Sometimes
German?
German man, Sri Lanka woman married.
Ah, okay.
This woman land,
Yeah.
German man make the house.
So they'd be,
Yeah, boat.
so good balance. It's very hot. Very soon I need like a beer, I think.
You drinking beer?
I like the Lion beer. You drink beer or you drink whiskey or
Lime beer.
you like the Lion beer?
You are angst? Jumping boat?
Yeah.
You angst? You
I
are afraid?
no.
No. Why not? Okay, you get it.
Okay. So this is where the adrenaline starts, is it?
No problem.
No problem. I trust you. And I can swim.
Huh?
I can swim if we have problem.
Swimming?
Yeah.
Swimming good?
I swim good. So we're going to head out now back into the open ocean. He said, am I scared? Because we've got to bounce back over the waves. That was the most fun part coming here, so let's see if it's fun or scary.
Hah? Meron na? Satu tayo doon?
Yeah. Fun. Yeah, it's good. That was the best bit.
Huh?
That was the best bit. Yeah, it's good. Was this to keep the boat heavy?
Black sand
Yeah.
for the dead stone.
Okay.
Cement that is
Okay. To make the nets.
Fishing net, fishing net.
Yeah.
cement and sand
Yeah.
all mix
Yeah.
to make the stone.
Okay, so you can keep the nets way down.
And down slope.
Okay.
This sand very heavy.
So how do you? Oh yeah, very heavy. How do you dry it?
Put the cement
Wait.
Oh, you mix cement into it.
Yeah.
Okay.
all mix.
Okay.
All.
And then you put it onto the net. Ah, so then you hang that on the net. Okay.
Cement, mix.
Mix. Then put the under stuff.
And it's very heavy.
Maal metara derikku. Maal metara derikku. Please. Fishing. Yeah.
You telling him about the waves or?
Arme maal mein. Correct.
See, look, fish. I see fish.
You can see the fish.
Yeah, I tell this place have fish.
Wow. How do you see the fish?
Yeah, no.
You have good eyes, yeah. I see nothing.
Got it. Yeah, fisherman, no.
Fisherman.
Fisherman.
Yeah. So how do you see the light or?
Sometimes fish all together, black color coming.
Oh, so you shadow. Okay.
I will see alone come.
Now he bounces up the sand. Yeah, that was the most fun part, going super fast.
Better, yeah, to get it.
Yeah. Yeah, it was lots of fun. It's the big entrance.
Come here, you come here.
The Oh, well, that was lots of fun. Bouncing over the waves. Wasn't kind of what I was expecting. I was thinking we were going to go maybe more out into the deep ocean. I'm about to be squashed by a boat. I was thinking maybe we go more out into the deep ocean. I thought it was actually going to be like joining them on the fishing trip. But it was all good. Really fun experience. Especially that bit like bouncing over the waves and then turning on the power and going really fast. Lots of fun. Good way to start the day and a good way to kind of help people with a little bit of money, you know. So now I'm completely exhausted but ready to go. I need some breakfast. I definitely need a coffee. Okay, I'm going out for my coffee. Thanks, Marcus. Thank you.
It's my brother.
Your brother?
Yeah.
Your name?
Nicholas.
Nicholas?
You?
Wayne.
Wait.
Wayne, like wine. It's good to see you. Thank you a lot. See you later. Easiest way to explain my name to anyone. It seems to be what resonates the most, whether you're in Nepal, India, or here. You say, what's your name? And you say Wayne. The first thing that comes to my mind is rain, you know, like Wayne, rain. But they always say wine. So I go with wine now. Hello. Very cool. Big sign there.
I like.
You like it? You get a massage with that?
You come, small help, mine.
Yeah. I'm dying now. I just helped two people over here.
I
Now my like boom, 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 boom.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, yeah. Now I just need I want the volleyball top now.
You come from?
England.
Ah, welcome.
Thank you. England. Okay. Like wine. Like wine.
Lalit.
Lalit. Good to meet you.
Lalit Fernando. Too much.
Fernando.
Here, Negombo, Fernando.
Too many Fernandos.
Fernando.
Everyone's Fernando, eh? Right, I go get my breakfast now. Good to meet you.
Okay.
Bye bye. God, I was knackered after doing the first two. And then the third one, I thought that was never going to end. People weren't lifting it like at the same time, everyone was just kind of chatting and stuff, and I was like, oh no. Now I'm well deserving of a breakfast and of a coffee and some water because I'm sweating. Hard job. I've not even got the camera pointing at me, have I? Hard job those people have got. They do that from early in the morning all the way through to the afternoon. Come in, go out, come in, go out, come in, go out. Bring the boats in and out every single time, as well as obviously all the fishing. It's a hard job. All of them. Some of them have got little beer bellies on them, but don't let that deceive you. I bet they're incredibly fit because I was knackered just from doing that. And now I'm going to leave that one here. The tale of how I became the best, worst fisherman, non-fisherman, boat remover from the water in Negombo. Ciao.